one thing I would say, back to Fabian's question earlier about if he has somebody that is all locked up from another, having worked with a prior company, one thing you can do is take your dispute and have your client notarize it as an affidavit. And I'm not meaning like the identity theft sweep affidavit, but what I'm saying is if you put a factual letter together, hey, this is wrong and here's why, have your client notarize that and turn that into an affidavit. You want to make sure what you're saying in there is truthful and correct, because an affidavit becomes a sworn statement. But now you're sending a dispute that's actually like an affidavit, which is a much higher level, stronger legal document. And so for a CRA to kick that thing as frivolous if they've never received an affidavit previously, that puts them in a little bit of a different position to defend it if somebody like Brian were to sue them. And because they may say, if it wasn't an affidavit, well, this is really the same thing we received before. But if you sent them an affidavit notarized, sworn by the consumer, again, not an identity theft fraud thing, but hey, these, I've got 2 different date opens and 2 different high balances and a whole bunch of missing stuff. And it's all wrong. And I'm now telling you as a sworn statement, this clearly is wrong. Good luck to their lawyer to sit in front of the judge and say, well, but judge, this was frivolous, right? So, I mean, that's one thing I would say. And I know some people have a tactic, they'll contact the bureaus and undispute everything to get the dispute notation removed. That can unlock those files. I'm not really sure how that works as far as if you want to sue them afterwards, because they're going to have a recorded phone call where you've basically said, yeah, I agree everything's accurate. But that is one thing that some folks do to unlock those files.